We got notification that our parts arrived, and so we've packed up camp and we're headed to the repair shop to get our airbags replaced. We were worried about boondocking and how long we could last. So we went to a full service campground and had the hookups, you know, electricity filled up with water, everything. And then we came to this curb and turf site that had no amenities, no water, no electricity. And we actually lasted very well for 3 full nights and 3 days. I think the outdoor shower was a hit. We thought that we'd be skirting by with our tank capacities. We only filled up our gray tank less than 50% and our black tank just over 50%.
My wish would be to come back to the site after we get the airbags done, because a baby horse is going to be born and it looks like she might be doing it today or tonight.
So we got the van out of the shop and everything is working great. A big thank you to the guys at the Tire Pros in Ephraim, Utah. They helped us out a lot. Do you remember that idea that I had about doing an outdoor shower and making the hose long enough to where we can make it reach the back of the van? Found out another use for it. Tracy is so enamored with this mare that's about to give birth that she wants to give it a bath. Now I'm going to grab the hose and we're gonna give her a bath.
Well, howdy now, hear that banjo ring up in the hills where the whippoorwills sing. Boots hit gravel when the cold wind bites. Gonna ride that ridge tonight, y'all. Hear the train down the valley low, blowing that whistle where the wild winds go. Got a sack of dreams and a beat-up hat, ain't much more than that. Mama said, boy, don't roam too far, but the restless soul's like a shooting star. Once it burns.
So the airbags got fixed and we headed down south to pick up the trailer. And just so happens that I needed to hire an elf. This is my good friend Neil, and he is helping us with rekeying a lock. And so let's keep our fingers crossed that it'll work out. Look at that. Thanks for making the house call, Neil. Sometimes it's hard to wake up.